Isn't it amazing how a simple potato can bring so much joy? This unassuming vegetable, when transformed, has the power to light up faces and bring people together. Just picture a plate of golden, crispy French fries. Instant happiness. The sight alone can make your mouth water and your heart skip a beat. Fries are loved everywhere, by everyone, and for good reason. They transcend age, culture, and even dietary preferences. They're the perfect sidekick to burgers, fish, or even on their own. Whether at a fancy restaurant or a casual diner, fries fit in perfectly. Fries are comfort food, celebration food, and sometimes just because food. They're there for you in moments of joy and comfort. That first bite, crunchy outside, fluffy inside, is pure magic. It's a sensory experience that's hard to beat. Making fries at home turns your kitchen into a workshop of deliciousness. The process is as enjoyable as the end result. Imagine a world without fries. Less fun, less flavor, less joy. It's a world that's hard to even picture. Fries are more than food. They're memories of fairs, picnics, and cozy nights. They're part of our shared experiences and cherished moments. The magic of the fry is something anyone can create. It's a universal recipe for happiness. So, let's uncover the secrets to the perfect homemade French fry. It's simpler than you might think. All you need is patience, good potatoes, and a sprinkle of love. These simple ingredients can create something truly special. Ready to turn your kitchen into a fry factory? Let's embark on this delicious journey together. Let's get started on our potato adventure. The world of fries awaits. Every great fry starts with the right potato. It's the unsung hero behind every golden, crispy bite. Before you even think about slicing or frying, the journey begins here, with a humble spud that holds the promise of greatness. Starchy potatoes, like russet, Idaho, or Maris Piper, are the stars of the show. These varieties are famous for their high starch content and low moisture, making them the top choice for achieving that perfect fry texture. Their low moisture and high starch make fries crispy outside, fluffy inside. When you bite in, you get that satisfying crunch, followed by a soft, cloud-like interior. Exactly what you want in a classic fry. Waxy potatoes? Save those for salads. Their higher moisture and lower starch mean they'll never crisp up the way you want. They're great for holding their shape, but not for making fries that truly shine. When shopping, pick firm, smooth potatoes. No green spots or sprouts. These blemishes can affect both flavor and texture, so always choose the best quality you can find. A good fry starts with a good potato. Think of yourself as a casting director, choosing the perfect potato for the role. Each potato is auditioning for a starring part in your next batch of fries, and only the best will make the cut. A good potato is the foundation of every great fry. It's the building block that supports all the flavor, texture, and crunch you crave. Without it, even the best technique falls flat. No amount of skill or fancy equipment can save a fry made from the wrong potato. So, grab your starchy hero and get ready for transformation. This is where the magic begins, and your fry's destiny is decided. The right potato sets you up for crispy, delicious success. Our hero is chosen, ready to take center stage and become the fry of your dreams. Let's prep it for greatness. With the perfect potato in hand, we're ready to unlock the secrets to the ultimate fry. Time to prep our potato hero for the spotlight. First, scrub them clean under running water. Next, cut your fries. Thin or thick, skin on or off, your choice. Uniform size is key for even cooking. Now, soak the cut fries in cold water for at least 30 minutes. This removes excess starch and helps them crisp up. After soaking, drain and dry them thoroughly. No moisture allowed. Dry fries means safe, crispy fries. Now, they're ready for the magic of frying. Here's the secret to restaurant-quality fries, the double fry. First fry, cook at 160 degrees Celsius, 325 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes. Soft, pale fries are perfect. Drain on a wire rack and let them cool for at least 30 minutes. This step sets the stage for ultimate crispiness. Second fry, crank the oil to 190 degrees, 375 degrees. Fry in small batches for 2 to 3 minutes until golden and crunchy. Watch them transform. Crisp outside, fluffy inside. The double fry is what makes fries unforgettable. Drain again on a wire rack. You've just unlocked the secret to perfect fries. Ready for seasoning. The right oil is crucial for perfect fries. Choose a neutral oil with a high smoke point. Canola, vegetable, sunflower, or peanut oil. Fill your pot deep enough for fries to float freely. Use a heavy-bottomed pot and a thermometer for safety and precision. After frying, let the oil cool, strain, and reuse a few times. Never pour oil down the drain. Dispose of it properly when it's spent. The right oil keeps your fries crisp and delicious. Now, let's add the finishing touch. Season fries the moment they leave the oil. Salt sticks best when they're hot. Classic sea salt is perfect, but get creative. Try paprika, garlic powder, or black pepper. For extra crunch, toss dried fries in a light dusting of corn flour or rice flour before frying. This creates a super crispy shell. Always drain fries on a wire rack, not paper towels to keep them crunchy. Don't pile them up. Give them space to breathe. A soggy fry is a tragedy. We're here for maximum crunch. Season, toss, and serve immediately. Your fries are now ready for their big moment. Let's share the joy. You've turned humble potatoes into golden, crispy treasure. Each fry a little piece of joy, hot from the pan and glistening with just the right amount of salt. The best part? Sharing them with friends and family, passing the bowl around, and watching everyone reach in for their favorite piece. Gather everyone around and watch their faces light up with anticipation and delight as the aroma fills the room. Fries bring people together. No fancy plates needed, just a big bowl in the center and hands reaching in, sharing stories and laughter. Offer a variety of dipping sauces, ketchup, mayo, barbecue, or aioli, so everyone can find their perfect match and experiment with new flavors. Sharing fries is sharing happiness, a simple act that turns an ordinary moment into something special. It's about connection, laughter, and making memories that last long after the fries are gone. A simple bowl of fries can turn any day into a celebration, whether it's a birthday, a game night, or just a cozy evening at home. Remember the journey, choosing the right potato, double frying for that perfect crunch, and seasoning with care. Every step adds to the magic. Homemade fries are a skill that spreads smiles, a treat you can be proud to share with those you love. Food made with love always tastes better, and every bite is a reminder of the care and effort you put in. So enjoy your perfectly crunchy, fluffy fries. You've earned every bite, and every shared moment makes them taste.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.